So first step is to visit the iCharts website. Click on the login button. Login using your email and password that you had used at the time of registering on the website. As you log in, you will be redirected to the student section. This is your dashboard. You will notice us adding more instructions on the dashboard in future so that you can make best use of this particular platform. For now, in order to access your courses, go on to this left bar, click on courses. You'll be redirected to a page where all your courses that you're enrolled in, whether you have started them, not started them, or completed them, to be listed over here. If you want to continue a course that you have already started earlier, you can press the continue button. On the courses that you have not yet started, you will notice the start course button, and the courses that you have already completed, there will be a button called completed. You can click any of these buttons and you will be able to go back into the course. When you click the start course button, you will obviously be starting the courses, and when you click the continue course button, it will take you back to the point where you last left the course. Now once you're inside the course, you will notice that you're directly taken to the last unit that has not been completed. Before you proceed to the next unit, you will need to complete this unit. And only when you have been able to complete this unit will you be able to go to the next unit. So after you have completed this unit, you will notice that you can click on this button below. When you click on this button below, it marks this particular unit complete. And now you can either click on this to be redirected to the next unit, or you can click the next unit button to go to the next unit. And you will be taken to the next unit. All the units that you finished earlier, you will be able to go back to those units in any order. So for example, I can directly go back to the second unit. And from here, I can also directly go back till the last unit that I've completed without having to watch the video completely. But after this, if I want to go to the next unit, I will need to click on this. And after this, I'll only proceed when I've watched the video completely and I've marked the unit complete over here. I hope this is clear for all of you. During the sections, when you are going through these videos, if you need some help, this is the place where you can either comment on the topic. This comment will be visible for everyone, but this is literally just a comment. There is no question that you're asking. Or you can also ask a question. Any question that you ask, a notification will be sent to the trainer, and in the next couple of days, the trainer would be able to check this out and respond to you. When you receive a response, you will receive an email notification saying that your comment has been responded to. You can also make your private notes if you would like by checking over here, and all your notes will be visible in this particular unit and on every unit that you make notes on. I hope you make use of this platform and you are able to make the best out of this. If you have any questions, if you get stuck anywhere, please feel free to get in touch with us, and we will be more than happy to help you and support you. Thank you.